Changing the default downloaded files path for Safari on your iPhone. 15 allows you to organize your downloaded content more efficiently, making it easier to locate and manage files across your device or iCloud storage. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Safari. In the Safari settings, scroll down and tap on Downloads. Here, you'll see three options, namely iCloud Drive, On My iPhone, and Other. To use iCloud Drive or On My iPhone, simply tap on your preferred option. To choose a specific folder, tap on Other. At the top, tap the drop-down menu to choose between iCloud or On My iPhone. Navigate to your desired folder by following the on-screen prompts. To create a new folder, touch and hold on a blank space, then tap New Folder. Next, name your new folder as desired. Tap Open to select the folder. Finally, tap the back button to save your changes. To verify the new download path, open the Files app, then navigate to the path you've set. From now on, all files downloaded through Safari will be stored in your chosen location, helping you keep your downloads organized on your iPhone 15. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.